welcome to RogueM4. We got I guess a blizzard?
That's terrifying.
Kind of hard to tell right now, but we had a kind of like a blizzard earlier, and the camera will probably make it look better than it really is. So we had kind of like a blizzard earlier, and the snow's blowing and it's covering the highway. Every once in a while you get, the stupid people that just want to pass you. They got four-wheel drive so they can do 65, and then it throws shit all over your car so you can't see. So anyways, lots of reports with rigs all over the place, and jackknife rigs and vehicles, and road closures, no travel advised. So I don't know, just take it easy. I'm doing about 50. I got train of people behind me. It seems like everybody's happy with the 50 to 54 miles an hour, so we'll keep trying that. Remember I said you always get the people that you always got somebody who needs to be home that extra 80 seconds sooner. So he's gonna come by me and he's gonna throw stuff on my window. There is some slick spots, but he's going for it. Don't know why. Everybody else is staying in line, but nope, not this guy. So why do you gotta do that? Because you're a fucking idiot, that's why. Doesn't matter if you want to endanger your life, but now see, now I can't fucking see. Jerk. Okay, it's looking a little slick again. Kind of waiting for the windows to shove me right off the road. I'm not going to touch my brakes. Luckily, nobody else is getting off. This looks like it is like ice covered. Can you see the road? Alright, time to test the brakes. What am I going to wait until I get to 25? 25, test the brakes. Oh yeah. Not too much. Oh. I'll just Jiminy Christmas. I know the camera makes it look like it's not as bad, but I think I'm just gonna cruise. We're having a little bit of a snowstorm. It's not really super cold, but with this wind blowing, it's a little cold. So, but I got my I got my cold weather gear stuff on, some of the stuff that I had from North Dakota, so I know what to wear. Cannot be affected by it, but it was kind of neat. Kind of neat when the wind started blowing and the snow came through. So over there. Said the wind was going to be blowing. Anyways, just wanted to show you what kind of weather we're having in Iowa. So thanks for following along with RogueM4. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and share the video. I hope you guys have a great day.